Today I want to show you one of the most quintessential condiments of Sichuan and Yunnan cuisine, aromatic sweet soy sauce. It is a key ingredient in a lot of appetizers, noodles, and dumpling dishes. I found many recipes would just use soy sauce and sugar as a substitute, but trust me, once you try the real deal, you never go back. So as you can see the ingredients here, we are essentially reducing the soy sauce and infuse it with sugar and spices to make it into a thicker sauce. This adds so much flavor to the dish. As the sauce is thick, it coats the ingredients much better. Here I have 2 cups of light soy sauce, 150 grams of brown sugar, and 100 grams of granulated sugar. The brown sugar will give it a more deep molasses flavor, a cup of water, and spices. For spices, I have star anise, cinnamon, bay leaves, sand ginger, licorice, and a Chinese spice called sharin. If you can't source these, you can just use star anise, cinnamon, and bay leaves, which are commonly found in grocery stores. If you don't want to bother with whole spice, a couple teaspoons of 5-spice powder will do. Put the spice in a spice bag so we can easily take it out when finished. Get a saucepan, pour in the soy sauce, cup of water, and the spice bag. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat and reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure the bubble is very small when simmering. You should check the mixture and stir from time to time to avoid burning because of the high sugar content. Aim to reduce the liquid to about half of the volume. As you can see, my original liquid level is about a full spoon height. This is 20 minutes later and it's reduced about 1/3. You can see it's coating the spoon slightly. At this time, you may take out the spice bag because simmering for too long may cause it to turn bitter. Another 10 to 15 minutes later, and this is the final product. You can see it's a syrup consistency and quite thick. Pour it into a jar and let it cool. The aromatic soy sauce can be kept in a cool, dry place for a very long time. If you taste it right now, it's very salty, slightly sweet, and medicinal. Don't panic, you didn't ruin this. For our next video, I will show you a dish where this soy sauce takes the center stage. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.